Hi everyone. Today we'll look at how to install and use Ollama. Ollama is a software that lets you run many different large language models on your Mac locally without relying on any cloud services, such as ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So if you want to experiment and develop some small projects, or you're concerned about your privacy, because when you use ChatGPT, for example, OpenAI keeps all your personal data. But when you are using local large language models, everything is kept on your machine. So I've been using Ollama for the past couple months, and it's been very easy to install different models, set them up, and use in my web projects. The installation itself is super easy. You just need to download the installer and go through the installation guide. And then you can search models from the models page and choose one or more models that you want to use. There are many different models, but the ones that are popular and updated recently are located at the top. So you can probably choose one that's closer to the top. For example, Llama 3.1 came out only a few weeks ago, and they provide 3 different sizes: 8 billion parameters, 70 billion parameters, and 405 billion parameters. If your computer is low on RAM, maybe start with something small like 8 billion parameters. And Gemma 2 even has a much smaller model with 2 billion parameters. Of course, when the model size gets bigger, it will perform better, but you also need to have a large memory. In my case, 2 billion parameters run perfectly fine on my MacBook Air with 8 gigabytes of memory. And probably I can also run 8 billion parameters as well. But for the 70 billion model, I would not even dream of running it. There are also more specialized models like DeepSeek Coder version 2. This model can generate code. And a model like Lava can understand image input. So you can show an image and ask questions about it. Okay, after you install Ollama, you can open up a terminal window and type in the command Ollama. And if it shows this help menu, then your installation was successful. And these are the commands you can use with Ollama. First, let's list the models that we have. Ollama list. I've already installed quite a few different models on my computer, but if you haven't installed any models yet, it will be empty. So to install a new model, you just have to go back to this model page and click on any model you want to use. Here I will click on Gemma 2 and choose the size that you want to use. I will choose 2 billion model. It's only 1.6 gigabytes in file size. Then it will show you the install command, Ollama run Gemma 2 :2b. I will copy this command, come back to my terminal, and paste it, and hit return key. Because I have already installed this Gemma 2 billion model, it instantly started running. But if you don't have the model, it will first download it and then run it. And here you can just chat with this model, just like how you chat with ChatGPT. Hi. It's pretty fast because it's a really small model. But if you try something like 7 billion, 8 billion, 16 billion, it can get quite slow. But I like the fact that everything is running on my computer. Which city will hold the next Olympics game in 2028? The next Olympics, known as the Summer Games, are to be held in Los Angeles, California in 2021. That was correct. You will have to try it yourself, but smaller models tend to give you less accurate answers in general. And if you're wondering about what other commands you can use, you can type in /?. And there are some commands you can use while chatting with the model. Or if you're done, you can type /by. And you're back to your terminal prompt. Let's run Ollama command again, because there are a few other commands as well. Next, I want to try Ollama PS. and it will show you what models are currently loaded into your memory. It says Gemma 2 billion model is loaded 100% onto the GPU. So this is good, that my model is loaded onto my GPU, not CPU. But if you try something bigger, and if you don't have enough memory, it may show you that something like 48% CPU, 52% GPU. So in cases like that, you can still run a model, but it'll be very slow. You want to load the large language models onto the GPU if possible. And if you want to remove a model, type in Ollama RM or remove, and then type in the name of the model. So for example, Gemma 2. And don't forget to also add the colon to B, because there are a few different kinds. If you want to download a new model or update the existing one, then you can use Ollama full, then the model name, Gemma 2 billion. Then it will only download or update, but it will not run it afterwards. Let me try another model here, QN2. This is 7 billion parameter model, so it'll take some time to load onto my MacBook Air. Let's ask a question. What's the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? So 7 billion model here is running pretty fast. I think it's pretty usable. I'm not entirely sure if this answer is 100% correct, but looks like it is. TypeScript is developed by Microsoft. It has static typing, some error detection, maintenance, and readability, tooling support, etc., etc. So I think it's pretty good. And let me quit and then check process. And QN2 is also running 100% on my GPU. Next, I want to run Lava model, which can understand image because it is a multimodal model. Llama run Lava. It took quite some time to load this model because it was pretty big, but once it's loaded, it'll be much faster next time. What do you see? And I do have an image on my desktop here. So edit image, I can just type in the file path relative to where I was, which was on my desktop. In the image, there are two individuals in martial arts outfits. They appear to be performing a move or a demonstration of some sort. The person on the left is holding one leg up, blah, blah, blah. And this was the image that I showed the model. Two people playing Taekwondo. I mean, this image is also generated by an AI, so it's not 100% accurate outfit for Taekwondo. And the model identified there were two individuals in martial arts outfit. I don't think the description is 100% correct, but it wasn't too bad. And you can show a text file and ask it to summarize it. You can do all the things that you would expect from a large language models. But normally you probably don't want to use this terminal to chat with it. So there are many projects that use Ollama models and then provide the graphical user interface. For example, this project called Open Web UI is also very popular. You can use this ChatGPT-like interface in your web browser and chat with different models. Ollama also provides API endpoint, so you can make HTTP requests and get the response into your, say, JavaScript project. And that's something that I've been doing in the past couple weeks. And probably I'll make another video on that. So this is it for today. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.